Short of actually making an error with a client or doing something in the industry that's really, really wrong, obscurity is going to be one of the biggest killers of your business and its growth. If people don't know you and what you do and how you solve their problems, they're not going to be able to get in touch with you. They're not going to know about you and they're not going to do business with you. So you've got to solve that problem by getting people to know who you are. And if you haven't got a massive budget to play with in terms of advertising, you can't buy that attention. You can't be placing ads in every single place that your target audience looks for businesses like you. You've got a huge problem. So you can use these free tools that we have in terms of social media and some of the more traditional methods of marketing that are out there and make a real difference and get people to know you really quickly. So take some time to understand how these tools work. We've got a social media audit that we can run for you on your business that can show you exactly what you can do to stand out from the crowd and actually become found by your target audience really quickly. So if that's something interesting for you, please get in touch.